Welcome back to Econ Academy. You may want many things: food, clothes, travel, entertainment, but you can't afford all of them. Economics begin with a simple fact: choices are limited. In this video, we introduce the budget set, the set of all bundles a consumer can afford. In microeconomics, we study how consumers choose, but choice only makes sense if there are limits. Those limits come from two things: income and prices. The budget set describes everything you can afford given your income and market prices. Suppose a consumer buys two goods, good 1 and good 2. Let income be M, price of good 1 be P1 and price of good 2 be P2. The budget set consists of all bundles X1, X2 such that P1 X1 plus P2 X2 is equal to or less than M. This inequality means you can spend less than or equal to your income. Any bundle that satisfies this condition is affordable. We usually represent the budget set graphically. You can see the good 1 on the horizontal axis and good 2 on the vertical axis. The shaded area under the budget line represents the budget set. Every point inside the shaded area is affordable. The budget line itself represents spending all income. Points inside the budget set means you spend less than your income. And points on the budget line means you spend exactly your income. And points outside the budget set, you cannot afford them. So economics is about choosing the best affordable option, not the best imaginable one. The budget set defines the consumer opportunity set. Preference tells us what consumer want. The budget set tells us what consumer can choose. So choice happens where these two meet. In the next video, we will focus on special part of the budget set, the budget line. That's where prices and income become visually clear. So see you in that video.